Welcome back to Countdown Craze. Today we're asking, can artificial intelligence replace doctors? Let's explore the top 10 ways AI is transforming healthcare, with real-world examples you won't believe. Welcome back to Countdown Craze. Today we're asking, can artificial intelligence replace doctors? Let's explore the top 10 ways AI is transforming healthcare, with real-world examples you won't believe. Welcome back to Countdown Craze. Today we're asking, can artificial intelligence replace doctors? Let's explore the top 10 ways AI is transforming healthcare, with real-world examples you won't believe. Number 10, AI in medical imaging. Radiologists spend years training to spot tiny details in scans, but AI can now outperform them. Google Health's AI lung cancer detection system was tested on over 45,000 chest scans and spotted cancer with 94.4% accuracy, higher than human radiologists. In fact, it caught cancers that were invisible in earlier scans. That's the difference between late detection and saving lives. In the UK, the Mia AI system analyzed mammograms from more than 10,000 women and reduced missed cancer diagnoses by 20%. In Denmark, AI-assisted screening cut radiologists' workload in half while increasing accuracy. Imagine a world where routine screenings powered by AI give every patient a second set of eyes, one that never gets tired. The Da Vinci surgical system has already assisted in over 10 million surgeries worldwide, but now AI is making robots even smarter. In 2022, researchers at Johns Hopkins performed the first fully autonomous soft tissue surgery on a pig's intestine, with better stitching accuracy than human surgeons. That's not just impressive, it's history in the making. The global mental health crisis leaves millions untreated. Enter AI companions like Wyza and Woebot. In clinical trials, users of Woebot reported a 22% reduction in depression symptoms in just 2 weeks. While they're not a replacement for therapists, they provide immediate, stigma-free support for people who would otherwise suffer alone. The Apple Watch isn't just counting your steps. In 2018, it detected irregular heart rhythms in over 400,000 participants in a massive study with Stanford. AI-powered sensors can now predict epileptic seizures with 80% accuracy and warn diabetics of dangerous blood sugar drops hours before they happen. Your wrist might be the first doctor you consult. Developing a new drug can cost $2.6 billion and take 10 years. But in 2020, MIT's AI system discovered Halicin, the first new antibiotic in decades, capable of killing drug-resistant superbugs. AI systems from DeepMind and In Silico Medicine are now designing custom molecules, compressing years of lab work into weeks. This could revolutionize everything from cancer therapy to rare disease treatment. In 2017, IBM Watson helped oncologists match cancer patients to personalized treatment plans by analyzing genetic mutations. Today, AI-driven platforms can look at your DNA, medical history, and lifestyle to predict which drug will work best for you. For example, Tempus, a Chicago-based AI company, is personalizing cancer care for thousands of patients using genomic data. AI is turning prevention into prediction. In London, Moorfields Eye Hospital and DeepMind trained an AI that predicts over 50 different eye diseases just from retinal scans, with the same accuracy as top specialists. In another study, AI predicted Alzheimer's 10 years before symptoms by analyzing brain scans. Imagine stopping diseases before they even begin. Elon Musk's Neuralink made headlines when a paralyzed man used thought alone to control a computer cursor. But they're not alone. Researchers at Brown University enabled patients to text and move robotic arms using brain signals. In Switzerland, a man with paralysis was able to walk again thanks to an AI spinal implant decoding his brainwaves in real time. This isn't sci-fi anymore, it's happening. Here's the truth. AI is powerful, but it can't comfort a grieving family or make ethical decisions about end-of-life care. Doctors bring empathy, intuition, and the human touch, things algorithms can't replicate. Experts say the future isn't AI versus doctors, but AI plus doctors. Think of AI as the world's smartest assistant, giving doctors superpowers while keeping the human connection alive. Thanks for watching. If this countdown blew your mind, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more epic science and tech breakthroughs only on Countdown Craze.